Hi, I'm Nancy Demerling with Intel Canada, and I'm here to talk to you about adding memory to your laptop. My daughter's computer has become very slow and sluggish, and it's because she's run out of space on her system. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's not very difficult, and so I'm going to show you exactly what steps you need to take. I've had this experience with my own system at work, and it became to the point where it took at least 20 minutes for it to boot up because it's trying to remember everything that's going on in the system. So what we're going to do now is we're going to shut down the computer, and I'm going to show you how to take off the back. Okay, so what I did is I went to Best Buy. I actually took the computer into Best Buy to make sure that I got the right memory, and I bought the Lexar, which is a 2 gigabit memory, and that's what we're going to put in the system today. The cost of it was only $59. Best Buy can install it. Geek Squad gentleman that I spoke to said he could install it for $29, and it would only take a couple hours. But I'm going to show you, it's really not that difficult to do, but if this is something you're not comfortable with, then obviously that's another option for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the battery out of the computer, and you have to make sure that you're on not on carpet, because you don't want to be contracting electricity through your body at this time. Otherwise, that's the only safety issue that we've got. So you can lift off the battery, and each system's a little different, but you can see there's the battery coming off. And now we're going to remove this plate here, and this plate has the memory in it. So we're going to pull this off, and we're going to replace it. And it's pretty simple. Okay, so we're going to take the plate off, and as you can see, there's a this is the memory card, and it's spring-loaded. So you just pull this back and pull it up and out. So this is 1 gig, and we're going to replace it with a 2 gig memory card, which is what I had shown you before. And we just put it into the slot. Sometimes you can layer on top of each other. It just snaps in like that. And then you put the plate back on. So this should get us another 6, maybe a year max out of this system before I'll have to replace it, which is what I'm hoping to accomplish with adding this memory. So for an investment perspective, it was only $59, and I'm probably going to get at least 6 months to a year. So when you start to reboot, you have to go, you'll go into the F5, and it will go through your system doing a memory test activity before the system will start. And you just let it run. It's very easy, and it will help you get your system up and running, and it hopefully will be a lot faster for my daughter. Okay, so we're going to go to the Start menu. We're going to go up to Computer, and we're going to go up to the System Properties. Click on that, and we'll open it up, and you'll see that now that we've added the 2 gig, we're now at 3 gig for the memory. Okay, so that should help move the system along a lot more efficiently. And then the other thing that we need to also do is, if you look at the C drive, so we click on this, you'll see that the space here is at 85%, and that also will make the system run a lot slower. So we need to take probably videos, pictures, etc. off of the hard drive. So we're going to burn those onto DVDs. That will also really help the system to speed up. So between the memory and the hard drive, those are 2 things that are critical from a spring cleaning perspective. And lastly, making sure that the security is up to date on the system. So we've updated that as well, and all of the Microsoft updates. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for listening, and I'm Nancy from Intel.